Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. We are in Florida. So we just stopped at Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know if you can hear me. And look what I got. This is a medium, it's pretty huge. And it's called Caramel Craze. It has some like cinnamon and caramel with whipped cream on the top. And just, I like a latte. So good. So good. I love Dunkin' Donuts. It's almost better than Tim Hortons, I think. But, oh, I also got me a grilled cheese. We are on our way to Flamingo Gardens. I don't really know what to expect. I don't really know what's going on there. I know there's flamingos and I think you walk around, I think. Or like it's like botanical gardens, like it's a nice garden place, I guess. And then there's the flamingos. But I love animals, so I'm so excited to go and see the flamingos. Hopefully I can get some good pictures or something because I'm excited for that. But yeah, I thought I'd just bring you guys along for a day in the life of Florida, pretty much. We have a lot planned today. We're gonna go to Flamingo Gardens. We're gonna go, I wanna go to Olive Garden, whether it's probably gonna be for lunch. Probably after Flamingo Gardens, we'll probably go to Olive Garden for lunch. And then we're gonna go to the beach. So you'll spend the day at the beach with us. And then later, we're gonna take the kids around the block and go get some ice cream. So it's gonna be a fun-filled day in Florida. So stay tuned. Look at these guys. Holy. Hi, buddy, 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 buddy. Hi, buddy. Look at his colors. Oh my God, he's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. Look at your pretty colors. Hi. Oh, you're gonna show your color? Look at you two back there. What are you saying? Hi. 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 What are you saying? Look at all your colors. Hi. 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 What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness. So we came. What's it called? Like I don't know what it's called, but pretty much the birds are like free roam, and you just walk around and you can feed them. But I have the food right here because we were walking here, and these little white birds tried to run after me because they thought I was carrying the food just out in the open, and I guess they know the brown bag, and these guys started chasing after me, so I took the food because we're not playing that game. But we saw a turtle, it was so cute, and I can hear these birds. I bet there's lizards up in these trees too. I'm excited. The whole reason, I didn't know this was like, well, I said I didn't know what I was expecting when I was coming here, but I didn't know they had like all these exhibits with all these different types of animals. But I'm excited, really excited to see and feed the flamingos. That's what I'm excited for. We saw them on like the other side of the park, but we decided to do this first. There's actually a show and a tour at I think 11:30, and it's probably like 10:30 now, maybe 11 o'clock. So we might go to the tour, but we've seen a lot of the animals already. Look at this guy. Hungry, yo. I'm trying to find something. Come here, buddy. Here, buddy. This place is kind of, what is it? This place is super cool and fun. I didn't know there was going to be all of this stuff. I'm a huge animal lover, but birds is the one thing I don't like. You hear these random noises, like what kind of bird makes that noise? Like, I don't really mess with birds like that. I do not mess. And these, I'm gonna show you these white birds over here, vicious, small little vicious things, like start running after me because I saw food. Watch this. See all them white birds over here and over there? They can stay over there because they're vicious.
To his holders, and he doesnn't know how to hunt. He doesn't know how to forage for himself. Yeah, that's a leucistic peacock. We'll talk about that in just a minute.
Go swimming. Look at him. Jump. You can do it. Jump. Yes. Look at this guy swimming.
That's sunbathing. Oh, he's going in. Come on, buddy. Play. This one's the one that's having a ball by himself. Oh, did he jump in? The other one jumped in. Okay, come. Come here. They're pretty big.
Go swimming. Hey, buddy. Fun fact, I mean, I know this is not a turtle. It's a tortoise. But I love turtles and tortoises. Wasn't I just saying I love turtles? Look how freaking cute. Hi, buddy. Look at this guy over here. See him? Sunbathing. This guy got two big lumps on him. Hi. Do you hear me talking about you? Why are you making so much? Hey. Why are you making so much noise? Why are you making so much noise? Why are you making so much noise? Look how big this guy is. The camera's making him look small, but he's huge. Watch this.
Still, like they're like.
Look at this guy. Oh my god. Would not want to be near him when he's hungry. Holy.
Why are you running? Go, hold your hand. Hurry up. Go.
Get the camera ready. My heart is still racing because I don't like those little white birds, and they were all over the freaking place, and I'm not wearing no pants or like no protection, so I don't want them to peck at my feet or my legs. And these guys were like right here. I'm trying to feed, they're like all up in your space, like they don't care. They have a big long beak and they're like pecking. One time I have my hand out to feed the flamingo, and the guy come and he stole all the food from my hand. I screamed, but it was fun. We're on our way now to the beach, but Flamingo Gardens was super fun. I didn't expect it to be all of that. I didn't know there was going to be all these other birds there. There was actually more other birds than flamingos. I thought there was going to be way more flamingos, but they're so pretty. There's like some light pink ones, some hot pink ones, some like just regular pink ones. So they're super cute. I've never fed a flamingo. I've seen them, never fed, but can check that off the bucket list now. So that was fun. Now we're just gonna go hit the liquor store, get some liquor, and head to the beach because it's a beautiful day. No clouds in sight, and yeah, we're gonna pretty much go and spend the day at the beach. The other day I went to the beach, you guys can't see, but I went to the beach and it was supposed to be a cloudy day, okay, and I didn't put sunscreen on because I'm like, you know what, it's fine, it's gonna be cloudy, like I'll probably just keep my clothes on, like I have my bathing suit underneath, but I'm like, oh, I'm probably just gonna keep my clothes on. I won't even need to take off my clothes, so I'm not gonna get tanned. I don't need sunscreen or nothing. Yeah, well, it was like a beautiful day like today. Didn't wear no sunscreen, went in the water, got completely sunburnt, my whole backside, and I didn't lay on my front because my front is worse. If I get burnt on my front, it's worse. Like my face, my chest, my stomach, my thighs and everything, like it would hurt 10 times worse than my back. Whatever, I can deal with my back and my calves and everything being burnt. The only part that still hurts from the sunburn is like the top of my shoulders that haven't seen sun too much. Everything else is gone. Like sunburn's gone, like 1 or 2 days gone. But yeah, today I brought sunscreen because I'm not playing with the sun. I'm not trying to get burnt no more because it hurts, and my face was beet red. Like my face is always red and it's still kind of red, but it was way worse. It was like tomato red. Now it's just turned like pink. Still red, but you know what I mean. So anyways, we're gonna go do that, so we'll see you guys when we get there. Lauderdale beach, and it's super hot. We just came to the washroom. Look how pretty. We just stopped by the bar to get a few drinks, and we stopped by the LCBO earlier to get a bottle so we can drink on the beach. I have to put sunscreen on today because I'm not getting burnt again because it's such a hassle, and like to sleep and everything, it's so hot to begin with, and then on top of it, to go and sleep on top of it being sunburned is super hot. But anyways, we're gonna go find a spot on the beach now and relax. Yeah, look, we're here tanning. I'm trying to tan my front side because, you know, the other day I got burnt, but you know, look, Look at the view. Amal got sand all over me. He's been like pouring friggin' sand on me. But the sun's so bright. Look, so freaking bright. We just left the beach and I am starving, like hello Freckles. Oh, maybe this is sand. Oh my god, you got sand all over my face. Look at this. Can you tell me? I'm so friggin' hungry. We didn't eat today. Actually, we had Dunkin' Donuts. I had grilled cheese today. That's what I had in the morning. But we're gonna see if there's like a burger place or something to stop along the way because we have to go pick up his sister and then the kids, and then we're gonna go take the kids for ice cream. And we promised them from like days ago we would do this, and then we have to go take them around the block on the hoverboards. So, but I'm starving. It's like 4:34, so we don't have much time. We have to pick up his sister for 5. So we're gonna go get something to eat quick and then eat on the way to go pick up his sister. Hi guys, it is the next day, and yesterday we didn't end up going to Olive Garden. We pretty much we didn't have much time. Like after we left the beach, we went to go pick up his sister and the kids, and then we went straight to get ice cream, and the ice cream place was far. It was like 30 minutes, I think, one way. So by the time we went and did all of that, we came home, cooked, and then went to bed. And to be honest, yesterday I was so sick. Like after I ate, I had a huge headache the whole night. I even woke up this morning with a huge headache, and I felt like I could vomit last night. So like after I ate, I just went straight upstairs, and that was it for me, pretty much. We are on our way to Olive Garden today because I'm so excited, and it's been like 4 years I've waited for this. 4 years. Because the first time we came to Florida, I wanted to go, but we didn't go. Just because time goes so fast when you're in Florida, like so fast. So we didn't end up going, and then the next year we went, which was 3 years ago, we didn't go again. Time just flew by and didn't get a chance to go. And then pandemic happened, so 2 years went by, we didn't come to Florida. So it's been 4 freaking years I've waited for this. So I'm so excited. I love pasta. And it's like unlimited, all you can eat, bread and salad. So I'm so excited. I haven't ate salad since I've come here, so I'm excited to eat some salad and pasta for sure. I don't know if I'm gonna eat anything else for the rest of the day after this. Maybe a little bit, but nothing too much because I'm going to go ham on Olive Garden. I'm so excited. With some sweet tea. Don't forget about that. Pretty much yesterday we didn't really do much after that, so that's why I'm picking up the camera again today to finish out the vlog to show you the Olive Garden. We're probably like 5 minutes away, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Look how good. Fresh breadsticks out the oven. We got some creamy Alfredo and 5 cheese marinara sauce. You guys, I forgot to vlog because I was so hungry, and it's so good. And I'm like halfway done. Yeah, we only got the lunch special, and I'm like completely full. I can't even eat the rest. I still have half my chicken and like more than half my pasta. But anyways, I'm gonna continue eating I'll see you after. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for coming back to watching another video. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned because there's lots of more videos coming.